In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrears in Zoho Payroll. This process is essential for managing any previous underpayments, ensuring both accuracy and fairness in your payroll. Whether you're already familiar with Zoho's interface or just getting started, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's begin by navigating to the core settings within your Zoho Payroll account. Open up your main dashboard and locate the Settings section. It's usually positioned at the upper right part of your screen, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Within Settings, you'll see a variety of options to manage different payroll aspects. We're focusing on Setup and Configurations today, where you can customize your payroll settings to match your company's needs. Once you're in Setup and Configurations, go ahead and click on Salary Components. This is the area where you can define various components that make up your employees' salaries. Within this section, look for Earnings. Here, you'll find the different types of earnings that are already set up for your company. Now, take a moment to scroll through the list and check if your organization already has an arrears component. If it's already there, you can skip the next step. But if not, don't worry, we're going to add it together. To add a new earnings component for arrears, locate the plus Add Earnings button. It should be prominently displayed, inviting you to click on it for adding new components. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to provide some details for the new component. It's crucial to name this component clearly. Something like Arrears will do just fine. This way, everyone involved in payroll processing will easily understand what this component is used for. Continuing with the setup, you'll need to fill in other details, such as the type of component and any specific calculation method if necessary. Zoho Payroll might offer some default options that suit common setups. However, it's important to tailor this to meet your company's specific policies or agreements. If you're unsure about the calculation aspect, consulting with your HR or accounting department can provide clarity. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to save your new component. Double-check everything to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. When you're confident that all the information is correct, click Save to finalize the creation of your arrears component. Your new arrears component is now active and ready to use in your payroll runs. It will automatically factor in when you need to process payments that include any back wages owed for overtime or other salary adjustments. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add arrears in Zoho Payroll. By following these steps methodically, you ensure your payroll is compliant and up to date with any due payments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more Zoho tips and tutorials.